Okay, so this is a phylogeny just like the one we looked at for the great apes, and humans included. This is a phylogeny of just human people. So they've broken them up into those who came from Africa, so the ones that they sequenced from Africa, and then ones that they sequenced from non-Africa, and you can see there's English and Dutch and German and Georgian and Italian and etc. Okay, and then again, they're looking at differences between DNA sequences, and what they're finding is that it's estimated based on the differences that we had a split here, right, into these bottom African lineages right here, and the rest of them. Then we had another split here with these, and we had another split here, where we get the few more African lineages up here, and then the rest of the world. So the likely time at which we split into all of the different races you see today is between 52,000 plus or minus 27,000 years ago. So not that long ago. And all of the races, including Africans, only happened about 171,000 years ago. But what the question's asking is who's the oldest, right? So you can see that all of the ones that are splitting off first are African. So African lineages are the older lineages of the human race.